Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu Academy. Today we'll see the causes behind the Punjab floods. So let's begin with. As you see, Punjab keeps flooding each and every year because of certain reasons. Let's see what are those reasons. If you see, first there will be a geographical features and excessive rainfall due to the monsoon, and again dam management issues and weak infrastructure and governance gaps are the certain issues because of which Punjabis keep on flooding every year. And if you see, especially geographical and meteorological triggers, because if you observe here, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir over here, all the plains of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, these floods and these water, especially glacier melts or the Himalayan melts, this will come into the Punjab. Because of the improper management of the water and the dams, this is getting flood. That is the first reason in the geographical part. So that if you see, here we have Indus River and or Ravi, Bia, Sutlej. These three rivers, tributaries of Indus, they flow into the Punjab. So because of the dam issues and the poor infrastructure management issues, that area, if you see, this whole yellow color area is under liable to floods, and only blue color area is river, and this all catchment areas, if you observe, these are flood prone. And if you see, because of the local heavy rains, that too in this region, Malwa, this is called as a Malwa region because it comes under the northwestern part of India. So this is particularly more prone to floods. And because of this RBS, like Ravi, Bia, Sutlej, more inflow of water causing more floods to Punjab. And if you see, dam management issues, like the dams, nothing but Bhakra, Pong, Then, these are the dam which they started to build but they have not completed it. And rule curve dilemma, what it is, authorities will start constructing dam at certain point, and after reaching at certain point they stop. Because of that, water flow will be stopped at this moment, but as soon as they release the water, this will be flooded to all the houses over here. So that's the issue that we call it as a rule curve dilemma. And due to this sudden large release of water in these plain areas, the Punjab is getting affected. And if you see, systemic and governance failures, because whenever these type of floods are occurring, government have to take the necessary steps in order to curtail the water. But government is not taking any of the steps. Instead, the condition over Punjab is still going worst. So that's why there is a government's gap, that too because of unplanned urban growth. See, if suppose this is an urban area and this is the center of the city, the planning or the construction activities should happen equally, uniformly. But if you take Punjab's case, this is a center, all the development is happening in this region. These regions where we have Ravi, Bia, Sutlej basins, those areas are not properly urbanized because this is much near to Delhi. All the people are interested in staying there, and from here people have to get the water from here. So instead of getting water from here, what people are doing, they started extracting groundwater. That's why this area of water is not used properly. Because of the more water presence here, this is getting flooded because of the less number of people and more presence of water. Here we have more people and less water. So because of the uniform distribution of people and the water, this is one of the reasons for the floods in the Punjab. So that too, one more thing will be lack of real-time coordination between the state urban bodies and the state and the center, because the water, this what you call this Indus River, this treaty is governed between the two countries, but this is managed by the Punjab authorities, that to state authorities. So this state authorities with the municipal commissions, they are not at all managed properly. It's a mismanagement between the state center and the states. That's what you can see the floods in the Punjab. And one more, the important thing behind this floods would be, if you see, all the catchment areas, especially in the rivers and the Yamuna basins, they are fully populated and fully industrialized. That's why if you observe, there is no place for the rivers to penetrate into the soil. That's why because of the less penetration of water into the soil, it's causing more floods in the Punjab. That's it for today. Hope you like our session. If you like our initiative, please share, comment, like Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.